So we are gonna make cucumber kimchi.
Oh,
So cut it like this. 2 centimeters.
yeah. Learn how to make kimchi. Yeah. Excellent, right?
내가 까먹은 거. 내가 할게.
안녕하세요. Oh, good.
어때요?
Yeah? Yeah, good.
Thank you.
I just see how to do it, right? I just want to see how to do
아,
it.
오케이.
Yeah.
먼저 썬죠?
No, I just learning from you.
오케이.
Mm.
오케이. We finish.
Just finish?
Yes. We want. 원이?
Oh, how to eat?
냠냠.
Yeah?
냠.
Mm.
Just eat.